ആദിയിൽ സൃഷ്ടാവാണും പെണ്ണുമായി മനുഷ്യരെ സൃഷ്ടിച്ചുവെന്നും ആയതുകൊണ്ട് പുരുഷൻ തന്റെ പിതാവിനെയും മാതാവിനെയും വിട്ട് ഭാര്യയോട് ചേർന്നിരിക്കുകയും അവരിരുവരും ഒരു ശരീരമായി തീരുകയും ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് അവിടുന്ന് കൽപ്പിച്ചുവെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ വായിച്ചിട്ടല്ലയോ? ആകയാൽ അവർ രണ്ടല്ല ഒരു ശരീരമാകുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് ദൈവം സംയോജിപ്പിച്ചതിനെ മനുഷ്യൻ വേർതിരിക്കരുത്.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night when you looked over your shoulder. For a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. And I wanna stay with you until we're great old. Just say you won't let go. We've come so far, my dear,